What's up guys, Marco here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm an engineer and entrepreneur, and something I'm really passionate about is passive income. So what is passive income? Passive income is basically the money that's derived from, assets such as rental properties, blogs, e-commerce, or anything like that that makes supplementary income for you. And that's not capped in any way. The amount that you can earn is basically entirely up to you. And this is what I'm going to be covering in today's video. 9 ideas, passive income generating ideas that you can use in 2020 to be making $1,000 or more per month of income. And that's obviously limited to your ability to put as much effort in. And one of the things that I want to be talking about is, you need to be working smarter and not harder, because with that being said, we want to be earning as much money as possible, but working less. So in this video, we're going to be covering 9 ideas or strategies that you can be using in 2020 to be making this kind of money. Let's get to it. So the first strategy I'm going to be sharing with everyone today is the most important and probably the most obvious one out of them all. It's to start a YouTube channel. Once you reach a certain amount of subscribers, YouTube allows you to advertise on your channel. And what this does is you'll be allowed to basically earn revenue from this. I've just come back from watching a video where someone was earning $4,000 per month just from uploading content. And that's probably something that they love doing, So if you love making content about just about anything, it can be, your drawing skills or educational videos of how to set up a website or anything like that, then people will watch that stuff, and then you can insert ads within those videos and you'll get rewarded in monetary value from Google AdSense. So that's number 1. So let's move on to strategy number 2. Strategy number 2 is to start a blog. So if you're not into creating videos and showing your face on YouTube or having it displayed on the internet, then that's perfectly fine. Starting a blog allows you to write to your heart's content, and that is on any topic that you prefer. That can be, gardening, outdoors, camping, anything like that, or even sports blogs. Now, the way that you make money with a blog is you can do exactly like you do on YouTube, and that's adding advertisements throughout. But I find that way quite obtrusive, and it actually puts your audience off. The other way that you can definitely make money, that's probably one of the most proven and beneficial ways to do it, is to have write sponsored content. And sponsored content is basically posts that you put up that are paid for by companies. So say for instance, if you have like a camping blog and a company approaches you to talk about the latest tent that's coming out, for example, that tent, you write about it, and that before you write about it, you will discuss with them what sort of remuneration you'll be getting out of writing that content. And if you have like thousands of visitors per month to your camping blog, then your post is so valuable to that company that wants to have that post on their website. You can be charging upwards of $1,000, $2,000 just for one post. And if you do this a couple of times a month, that's $2,000 a month right there. So starting a blog is definitely one of the things that is on my top 9 things to do with earning passive income. Now let's talk about strategy number 3, creating online courses. So what if you don't want to start a YouTube channel, or you don't want to start a blog, but you want an audience of some sort, and you have a valuable skill like computer coding, for example? Now you can actually create online courses for coding, and there's multiple websites out there that allow you to do this. However, these websites do take a commission, but you can be earning quite a bit of money per month from your online courses. The one biggest platform that I know of and I have used myself is Udemy. I used this back in 2016, 2017, when I used to have a blog about app development. Now that, I think I made about like $10,000 alone from, in the span of 1 year, just from creating courses. And that was courses about, how to skin apps, how to make this type of app, and these were iOS apps and Google apps as well. So I used the skill that I have, and I taught others how to do the exact same thing, and I got paid for it, which is perfectly fine. It's good. But If you don't want to use a platform like Udemy, then again, you can use your blog and sell courses directly from there when you have a highly engaging audience. Let's move on to the next strategy. Strategy number 4, become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a way of, promoting someone else's product and earning a commission from that. Now, I've just recently started doing affiliate marketing and I've started seeing results. Now, I'm earning only like a couple of $100 per month, and it varies sometimes, but the thing with affiliate marketing is it's a long-term game. And if you want to be in it for the long haul, then this is probably one of the most powerful ways that you can earn money. Because if you say, for instance, you have a blog or you have a YouTube channel and you're promoting products from things that you like, it can be like sporting equipment or anything like that, you earn a commission from that. So if someone purchases, your content, a product that you have promoted on your, your social media or anything like that, you get a commission. And the beauty about that is like the content that you create stays online for like years. And that means you'll be earning money for years to come. So it's not to be taken lightly. That's one of the most serious ways that I think you can really make a earning online and start earning more than $1,000 per month. On to strategy number 5, guys, and that is to start a digital marketing consultancy. And what is that? That is basically offering a service that you have that someone needs, and you basically make money out of it. So that can be something like creating websites, data entry, or, offering your advertising skills to someone. If you're good at advertising on Facebook or Google Ads, then go ahead and offer that service to them. They might need it. And you're probably thinking like, why would they need, a service like that? Well, they might not know what they're doing with YouTube or Facebook ads. They might be just burning money, in their pockets. And the other thing is it takes probably a lot of their time, and they could be using their time to be, offering their services, which is a certain skill that they might have, to people that need it or businesses that need it. Strategy number 6, that's to start an e-commerce business with Shopify. Now, back in 2016, I made over $60,000 in 6 months. Yeah, that's totally insane. I know, right? And, there's plenty of room for more people to do this. The process is starting a drop shipping business with Shopify. Now that involves like taking products from overseas, putting them on your website and putting a markup on those products. And when people come to your store, buy those products, you get the profit, but the supplier delivers that product directly to their door. So you don't actually see or touch the product. It is a lucrative business. Now, if you don't want to do that, you can obviously still start an online store, and that is if you have things to sell. So if you produce your own products, like if you're into sewing or anything like that, making baby clothes, for instance, you can advertise those products on your own private store, and people will come to your store, and buy those products. And that is another way that you can start earning passive income in 2020. Strategy number 7 is to go out there and write a book. If you love writing, then this one is for you. Now, this book can be basically about anything. It can be a storybook for children. It can be a cookbook. Now, that book, once you're done with it, you don't have to go ahead and publish it with a publisher. You can simply put it on the Kindle store or Amazon, I think, and start selling it that way. This is the same way that people make money with apps. People put paid apps onto the app store and basically start making money that way. And you'll obviously earn money from what you've created for years to come. That book will stay on that store for as long as you have like a paid membership. Strategy number 8 is to join the Amazon affiliate program. Now, this program allows you to promote any particular product that Amazon has, and you will earn a commission from it. Now, it's the same as affiliate marketing that I talked about before, but this is about physical products. The previous method I mentioned could be just digital products or services, for instance. And, the beauty about Amazon Prime is there's so many different things that you can promote to any particular audience. So that can be people who are interested in gardening, who are interested in camping, who are interested in hiking. It doesn't have to be, one digital product where, someone might stay at the computer and, love digital products. That's the beauty about Amazon affiliate. And people are out there making, tons of money per month from this alone. So the final strategy number 9, is to rent something out. And that can be basically anything. So if you have a home that has a couple of spare bedrooms, you can rent out each individual bedroom to people, and they will start paying you rent on a, either a monthly or a weekly basis, and that can be supplementary passive income for you. You can use this money to offset your mortgage if you do have one, or if you don't have a mortgage, then that's extra money in your pocket. Now, what if you don't have a house? Well, that's simple. If you have things like, a bike, or a kayak or a jet ski, you can definitely find websites where you can list these items and rent them out for people to use. And those people are obviously people who like doing those activities but don't have the money to upfront to basically purchase these products themselves. A jet ski is very expensive, but it's not expensive for someone to fork out like $100 per day to use that kind of thing. And that's basically the 9 strategies that I have to earn extra income, passive income for you guys in 2020. And once you actually do this for a little bit longer than 1 month or 2 months, you'll start to see the results, and the results will start, trickling in initially. But then what happens is after a certain time, everything just compounds, and soon you'll be earning like $5,000, $10,000 a month. And that income can basically, either fund your lifestyle that you want, if it's to, travel the world, or just not go to work in a 9-to-5 job anymore, then that's definitely something that you can do. Take some action, follow one of these methods and start implementing it today, so that you can be living a better lifestyle in the near future. If there's other passive income ideas that I've obviously missed that is highly lucrative, then mention them in the comments. I'd like to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, guys.